AEDs, or automated emergency defibrillators, are thankfully becoming more and more commonplace within Wales. And members, I'm sure, will be as dismayed as I was to hear that 2 defibrillators provided by charities and local fundraisers in my region were vandalised recently. AEDs are designed to be easily used when help is needed, particularly when somebody has suffered a heart attack. Their intention is for people without any medical training to use them, and they only give out an electrical pulse once they detect irregular or no heartbeat. After a cardiac arrest, survival chances drop by 14% for every minute which passes without treatment. So being able to administer treatment as soon as possible is key, and these defibrillators are used very effectively during that period of time when the emergency services proper are arriving. The British Heart Foundation and Welsh Hearts are just 2 charities working to install more of these devices throughout Wales and to increase awareness. And to date, Welsh Hearts have installed 482 defibrillators at community centres, shops and even old phone boxes. And while those examples of vandalism that I mentioned earlier are not the norm, they have helped highlight how our communities are backing these accessible defibrillators. The support offered from local groups to raise money for the repairs, particularly on one of these boxes, has been absolutely fantastic in Mumbles. The provision of defibrillators and of the training of basic emergency life-saving skills are just one example, 2 examples, I suppose, of how community groups, charities, businesses and the Welsh Ambulance Service can work together to save lives. And I hope that during the course of this Assembly, support for defibrillators and emergency life-saving skills will become even more strong. Thank you.